Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install Arc browser. So let's get started. For this, you require a web browser. I'm going to make use of Google Chrome and to type Arc browser, download and press enter. You'll get this first link, download Arc, select it. So we are going to download Arc for the Windows. It is also available for Mac and iOS mobile platform. Okay, so we'll select this link. This will download the installer. Click on open. Once it is installed, it is going to auto launch. Meet the internet again. Click on next. Now to use our browser, you will need to create an account first. So let me quickly create. Click on I've read the terms, then create an account. Now you can select the browser which you used previously. If you want to import your tabs, password, history and bookmarks. Okay, so I'm just going to select no. I want to type in all my passwords again. Click on next. Move faster with AI in Arc. Enable Arc Max. We'll select no, still exploring my options, then click on next. This is the welcome screen to the Arc and it is known as a Arc card. You can save it or also you can share it. Now click on get started. This is going to launch the Arc browser. We'll do a full screen. Over here you can search or enter a URL. So let's type Google and press enter. On the left hand side you can open new tabs. Okay, it also provides split view options. If you click over here, you can select add right split, and on the next split window, you can open another website. Suppose I'll select Google, so I can browse in two different windows. If I search over here, so I can browse into two different window. So it provides as a split view option. So that's all for today, guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.